Hi everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Today we're going to make my version of Bitchin sauce. My mixture today is going to be walnuts, cashews, and pistachios. You're going to use vinegar, lemon juice, nutritional yeast, olive oil, a dash of tahini, onion, herbs and spices, coconut aminos, but you can use soy sauce. That'll work just fine too. This is going to be a really great dip that you can use for vegetables. You can put it on a rice cake, even as a salad dressing base if you'd like. Let's see how it turns out. After you have put all of those ingredients into a food processor or a high-powered blender, you are going to get something that resembles this. So stay sure, strong, and steady. This is a healthy dip for a really great snack, and you can entertain with it. So enjoy your version of Bitchin sauce and have a great day.